Illinois Senator Dick Durbin returns to Chicago today to try to drum up more support for health care reform in his home state. He joined a group of Latino leaders this morning who say they are behind the legislation. WGN's Muriel Claire has more from the University of Illinois at Chicago.
Latino leaders are lining up behind the new health care bill. U.S. Congressman Luis Gutierrez, after threatening to say no today, is saying yes now that his concerns about the bill's coverage of illegal immigrants and the administration's commitment to immigration reform have been satisfied. Latino leaders and community activists say that the bill is not perfect, but they say it's time to stop the deliberations and get on with it.
There's no doubt in our minds, in our community, that there's a gap. We're not kidding ourselves. But the reality of it is that we need to have the courage also to be able to say we need health care reform in this country.
U.S. Senator Dick Durbin, joining the gathering of Latino leaders this morning, told them that the work continues, but it's paying off.
I feel very positive about the House of Representatives. I'm the whip on the other side of the rotunda. But when Speaker Pelosi and the leaders that I respect say publicly that they will have the votes, I feel good and positive about the outcome in the House of Representatives. I can tell you that we spent the entire week going senator to senator on the Democratic side of the United States Senate, looking them in the eyes and saying, it's coming and we need you and we need your commitment. We have the votes in the United States Senate when it passes the House. We have the votes to pass this bill to make health care reform a reality.
Well, if the bill gets past the House this weekend, as Senator Durbin is predicting, next week the Senate will have at it. I'm live on the South Side. Muriel Claire, WGN News.